Welcome, welcome. We are going to be in Unit 2, Session 3 this week. We are getting deeper and deeper into analyzing characters and how they respond to situations and all that good stuff. So, we are going to be reading a new story this week. Last week you read Thank You, Ma'am. I think a lot of you guys did a really good job of looking at the text, figuring out what the text was saying. Most of the PEA responses were really well thought out. Just make sure that when you are completing a PEA response, you include evidence from the text and then you explain why that evidence proves your point. That's the analysis bit. And that's the most important part of a PEA response. So anyway, let's get over to our content for this week. Right here, exploring character response. We are in session 3. Not much really to go over this week, except that it's going to be a really note-heavy week. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages that you need to take notes on using the 2-column notes. The template is attached here. If you forgot how to do it, there's a PowerPoint for you in there as well. You're going to submit them here. Make sure that when you do take notes that you keep them handy because they do help you not just this week, but in subsequent weeks as well. We're going to be looking at literary devices, and then we, like I said, are going to be reading a new text called The Lottery. It's a pretty short story. It's kind of crazy. It's a fun one, though. And then super simple, answering some comprehension questions and putting together the plot diagram. So if you guys have any questions that you run into as you're working through this, please let me know. I hope you guys have a great week. Please reach out if you need anything. Bye.